We'll guide you through how to create folders and move files into folders. You can follow this on a PC or laptop and any version of Windows really, whether it's Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, it doesn't matter. We're keeping this guide broad so you can go and follow along. So I'm doing this like this just so I can show you what you can go and click on as well. Folders are a great way of keeping things organized because you can go and have lots of different files. They could be photos, Word documents, text documents, it doesn't matter. And you may want to go and organize them, perhaps by subject, by date, by any means you want to really. It just goes and keeps things tidy. So let's go and get started. So you can go and create folders on your desktop, which can be convenient, or you can go and do it within other destinations, for example, your documents. So we can come and open up File Explorer. You can go and left click on that at the bottom. And on the left here, you could go and choose where you want to go and come. So I'm in my documents at the moment, but you could go elsewhere to do this. So in this case, I do want to do this on my desktop as I've got some different files here I want to go and start organizing. So what you need to do is come to some blank space, just go and place your cursor there. And you need to go and right click. So on a trackpad, it's down here. On a mouse, it'd be the right mouse button. And when you do that, you then go and get a list of options and you want to go and hover over new, like so. And when you go and hover over new, you're going to go and see a list of options and you want to go and find folder, which you can then go and click, and the folder has now been made. So you can go and name this. So I'm going to go and name this general. I'm just going to have like a general folder for a mix of things, but you can go and get way more specific. Press enter and there it is. And of course you can click, hold and drag it to go and put it where you want it. Now there are different ways you can go and move files into it. So you can just go and click, hold and drag it into the folder. You have to be quite precise here. I'll go and say move to, release, and it's now been added in. Alternatively, you can go and double click on the folder to open it up. And it can be easier this way as then you can just go and quickly drag the files in by clicking, holding and dragging. You've got a bit more space to drag it into. And to go make it faster when trying to move things, of course, you can go and click, hold and drag to go and get the selection rectangle and select multiple things at once and then drag them in. So that can make it easier than just doing it one by one as well. So in this case, I'm going to add this in and there we go. So I've now gone and moved files into it and we can go and close it. And what I'm then going to do is just go and move this into the row here, just so it isn't out there by itself. And now when we go and open this up, you can go and see the different files in there. It's that simple. So that's it. That is how you can go and create folders and move files into them. And of course, you could then go and create folders within folders as well. For example, this is a general, but I could go and create a work folder or a school folder, and I could then go and add the different subjects in there, like maths, English, science. You go and get the idea. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish guides like this every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you again in the future with more how-tos. I hope you have a great day and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.